name is Sue Vaughan and I will be singing Tu Lo Sai by Giuseppe Torelli.
It's changing so much. Are you studying privately?
No.
Okay. Okay. Good. So, do you think at measure 17, ma ricordati di me, if you focused on taking one breath, you could sing that as a phrase, and then the next one, e poi sprezza un fedele.
Okay.
Okay. Sing longer phrases and they have to work harder and manage their breath better, they just sing better.
Is that like with more emotion in? Or more motion comes
more
into it?
motion. Also, I think you can allow a little vibrato in.
Okay.
And would you do io non bramo altra? Do that all as one phrase. The phrase prior to Mariko.
So loosen up here.
Lift here. And what the phrase I used with Lauren that worked like a dream was to not drop your jaw but to lift here.
Okay.
And allow this to just hang, but lift here. And when you go io non bra, can you open that ah vowel up?
Okay.
I brought extra ones, Michelle. Okay, io non bra. Once again. So think that
So you get the crescendo onto that,
Yeah.
the D.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops, right in the middle of
where you've really built up to that crescendo on the bra, then diminish it and don't push it out so much at the mark. Okay.
Mhm. Would you also flip Mari, like not re, but Mari, Marika.
Okay, so you don't, not
It's-
a row. Okay.
Yeah. Marika.
Okay.
Marika.
No, okay. On that phrase there, I recorded myself today, and what I discovered was I'm actually dragging it out and slowing it down.
I think you're right. It slows down. It's written
No,
to slow down.
Is it? Not on
Yeah.
that. Not on that bit. It isn't.
Well, I mean, the tempo doesn't slow down,
Okay.
but the notes make it feel like it's slowed down because you have what's called a hemiola.
I think.
Hemiola.
Okay.
And
That's one to look up.
okay, it's you can it can be traced back a long time. And basically, in a dance form, it would be as though you had 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and instead of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you went 1, 2. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
1,
okay.
2, 3, 1. Mommy. Just watch me conduct it for a second. You try.
So the beat's staying the same, but it's just the way it's written in the. Is it syncopation?
According to it's syncopation.
Yeah.
It's a kind of syncopation. I can tell you why it's hemiola then.
You get a big three intervals. So 1, 2, 3. You get 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Doubles. Yeah.
Okay. So breathe, use. Don't breathe, hold.
Yeah, I think that's been an issue. That's an issue at the moment as well.
Okay. Maybe just a tiny bit. Spread sound, spread sound. Spread sound. Good, good. I want you to look at my chin. Good. Okay, you had a little taste of, oh my gosh,
Yeah.
I got a voice. And so then you go, I'm going to try that sucker out for a drive this afternoon. I forgot to pull it up with gas. And so it kind of came from here as opposed to here.
Okay.
Okay, that was awesome,
Thank
Sue.
you.
Okay, let's see, where are we? Where are we?
Get real.
That's a smile.
Top of page
2. Okie dokie, great.
Thank you.
Michelle.